This slide is from the ovary. The current magnification is 100x total magnification. What we're looking for is going to be a later secondary follicle. Now this later secondary follicle is this structure located right here. So if we zoom in a little bit, you can see a little more detail of this late secondary follicle. Now we know it's a later secondary follicle because the antrum now has fused together. There's one larger antrum that's beginning to form. So if we start at the very center, this structure right here is going to be your oocyte, the genetic material. Surrounding it, this single layer, right, this thin layer, that is the zona pellucida. All this tissue is going to be your granulosa cells. And then the very outside edge, this very outside edge here, that edge is going to be your theca folliculi. As we mentioned earlier, the antrum now is forming into a larger antrum, and the antrum itself is filled with liquor folliculi. So this is going to be a late secondary follicle. It's going through the developmental or the maturation process. Now to give an idea, this right here, this one is going to be your primordial follicle. So it's a single layer, nice and thin, that's a primordial follicle. Look at the size difference in comparison. You can tell that that primordial follicle has gone through quite a few stages to reach the late secondary stage. So your late secondary follicle from the ovary.